Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sign. What are the messages for Virgo? It's Sign. What are the messages for Virgo and another deck, Knight of Cups with Ten of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. I think, guys, you are feeling overburdened, and maybe for some you have a lot of work to do, family responsibilities, but you are feeling overburdened and you're feeling drained energy wise. And Knight of Cups, someone is returning. For some it could be a past person, for some it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But this person have so much love towards you, and this person is very romantic. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Magician, Empress, and Three of Pentacles. So guys, here you manifested something big into your life in recent past. For some, you try to manifest something into your life. You are doing manifesting techniques to manifest someone into your life, and at the same time you are focusing on yourself, Empress energy. You are taking your power back. You are doing self love. And Three of Pentacles, I think the things between you and your person maybe are not in equal give and take. I think maybe one person giving too much in this connection, but other person only taking that type of situation. There is no collaboration and there is no partnership. Maybe you are manifesting stability. Maybe you are manifesting a commitment in this connection. At the same time, you are working on yourself, Empress energy. Then present, Eight of Swords, Temperance, and the Sun. You are feeling stuck and you are patiently waiting because situations are not in your hands. Eight of Swords with the Temperance card. Yes, you are patiently waiting. That's all, because you can't do anything, because you are feeling stuck. And the Sun, for some children is also involved in this connection. So big happiness is coming into your life. And future, Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, and the Moon. I think there are some illusions between you and your person, misunderstandings. At the same time, you are still manifesting something into your life, but you're still confused. For some, you have options to choose. And Four of Wands, you want this, maybe you're manifesting stability and marriage. You are in the process of manifesting, guys. So for some, there are some disturbances, some misunderstandings between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, King of Cups. So let's see their current feelings. And their intentions also. Under the deck, Three of Cups. For some, third party situation involved in this connection, friends or family could be the issue also, could be treated as third party. So your person want reconciliation with you if you are in separation. So their feelings, Page of Wands, King of Wands, and Eight of Cups. Maybe they walked away from this connection in recent past, but now they want to message you, now they want to text you because Page of Wands. For some, I'm getting this person maybe a player and King of Wands. So they want to take action. They're making some plans to make action towards you. For some, your person is very dominative in this connection, very aggressive in nature. Then intentions, High Priestess, Nine of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Your person started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And your person is very independent emotionally and financially also. And Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to come back if you are in separation. If you're not in separation, they want to offer stability and they want to take this relationship to next level. But again, they are in very, very slow moving energy because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Strength, Emperor and the Sun. Maybe they're realizing you both. They're realizing you are their happiness. Maybe they're scared for rejection if you are in separation with this person. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Maybe for some, your person have ego problems to approach you. Again, strong Leo energy. I think you are standing by your power, Virgo. Now you are taking your control back. You already overcome all the hurdles. Yeah, tower moment. I think the separation also causes tower moment for you also. You are also missing them. But you overcome this pain. You overcome this tower moment. You will. If not, you will. So let's see mutual. I think I am getting your person has some ego problem. Ace of Cups. Yeah, decision making. You both have strong emotions towards each other. Definitely both love each other a lot because Ace of Cups mutual card and Judgment. I think you will make some major decision in the regarding this relationship in the month of June. You both will take this because this is mutual. Yeah, you both are thinking about each other a lot. Two of Wands energy. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So let's pull some cards from your person and through the channel. Virgo, messages from your person and you are the only one for me. Don't leave me behind. I need some space now. Twin flames. For some, you both could be in twin flame journey and true love. So the messages are, you are the only one for me. Don't leave me behind. I need some space now. Twin flames and true love. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A fiery climax approaches full moon in Aries. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. So if you are going through some past hurts, this is the message for you. Do meditation to heal yourself, and there is some situations are going to be end. You will receive some solutions for your problems. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.